Am I the only one that didn't know staking Solana could be this simple? Let's dive in and make it a breeze. First things first, pick a reliable wallet. For top-notch security, go with a hardware wallet like Ledger Nano S or X. Or, if you prefer software wallets, Phantom or Solflare are solid choices. Next, transfer your Solana from an exchange like Coinbase or Binance to your wallet. Easy, right? Now, for the main event, setting up your stake. You have two options, direct staking or liquid staking. Direct staking means delegating your Solana to a reliable validator. Liquid staking? Use platforms like Marinade Finance and get MSOL tokens, which you can use in DeFi activities. Avoid common mistakes by double-checking wallet addresses, understanding transaction fees, and staying informed about the Solana network. Always choose reputable validators and consider liquid staking for extra flexibility. Remember, prioritize security with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. And be patient. Staking rewards take time to roll in. By following these steps, you can stake Solana easily and securely.